Are you looking for the best protein shaker in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best protein shaker that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, BlenderBottle Shaker Bottle. The BlenderBottle Shaker Bottle with pill organizer and storage for protein powder. ProStack system is a great way to add storage capacity for powders, pills, supplements and more. The included 22 ounces capacity, measurement markings to 16 ounces, blender bottle, 150 cubic centimeters jar, 100 cubic centimeters jar, pill organizer, and patented blender ball wire whisk make it easy to mix and store your supplements. The interlocking jars can be used with or without the bottle, and the expandable capacity with additional jars, sold separately, makes it a great choice for those who need more storage. The leak-proof Sure Seal Flit Cap, secure screw-on lid and loop top make it easy to keep your supplements safe and secure, and the top rack dishwasher safe, BPA-free, phthalate-free construction makes it a great choice for those who want a safe and durable shaker bottle. At number 2, Radian Shaker Cup Insulated Water Bottle. The BlenderBottle Radian Shaker Cup Insulated Stainless Steel Water Bottle with Wire Whisk is a great product for those who are looking for a way to mix their supplements and smoothies while on the go. The double-wall vacuum insulated blender bottle keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours, and the blender ball whisk mixes everything together for a smooth shake in seconds. The 26-ounce capacity is plenty of room for supplements, meal replacements, or water, and the twist-on cap with center-mounted spout seals with a quarter turn and is backed by a leak-proof guarantee. The blender bottle is made from high-quality BPA and phthalate-free materials, and the lid is dishwasher safe. At number 3, Shakespeare Tumbler. The Shakespeare Tumbler is a great product for anyone who is looking for a protein shaker that is easy to clean and doesn't require a blending ball or whisk. The capsule shape of the tumbler allows for the ingredients to be mixed smoothly and effectively, without getting stuck in corners. The tumbler is also made from BPA-free Tritan plastic, which is freezer-safe. The slide cap is safe, secure, and leak-proof, and the finger loop makes carrying the tumbler easy. The tumbler is also great for mixing supplements and soft fruit blending. The 100% satisfaction guarantee makes this a great product to buy with confidence. At number 4, Harry Potter Shaker Bottle. This officially licensed product is perfect for mixing protein shakes, smoothies, and supplements, and comes in a choice of 4 different Harry Potter themes. The 28-ounce capacity is plenty for most people, and the sleek and durable Pro 28 Shaker Cup is made to last. The patented mixing system uses a 316 surgical-grade stainless steel blender ball wire whisk to ensure a smooth consistency, and the screw-on lid creates a leak-proof seal. The secure flit cap with spout guard keeps the mouthpiece clean, and the white loop top is perfect for carrying or attaching keys. At number 5, Strada Shaker Cup Insulated Bottle. The BlenderBottle Strata Shaker Cup Insulated Stainless Steel Water Bottle with Wire Whisk is a great way to mix supplements and smoothies. The blender bottle features an easy open or easy close push button flit cap with a sliding lock to prevent accidental opening. The 24-ounce capacity offers plenty of room for supplements, meal replacements, or water. The blender bottle also includes a 316 surgical-grade stainless steel blender ball whisk that mixes when the bottle is shaken, for smooth shakes in seconds. The double-wall vacuum insulation keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours. The blender bottle is made from high-quality BPA and phthalate-free materials and is hand-washable. The lid is dishwasher safe. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.